Alright, hello and welcome back to another video. So quickly using the tunnel to break all the wind around here, but we're at All Jap Day 2023. Gonna make a bit of a vlog, a few edits and stuff. Not sure how long we're gonna be here for, but yes, see how we go, hopefully you enjoy. Yeah, it's like mainly beamers, even though it's All Jap Day. M4. That's what we want. That's what we'll get one day. This little corner at the moment, so hopefully the wind isn't too bad, because out there it's pretty hectic. So I'm going to put in an edit now of the cars around the show and shine. There's not too many, but we'll do what we can, and then we'll go and get some videos of the cars on the track and stuff like that. So back. Obviously here for all Jap Day stuff, Jap cars, but these two are just too good not to show you. This dude got a lift kit in his S15. Look at the wing on this thing, it's wild. Sure you all know this car. You're right. So many Skylines, we need a bright orange. S14 to break it up. Or maybe a red one with some big tyres. While the wind's quiet down for a quick second, we walked over to turn 2 and 3. We're going to try and get some clips, but then the cruise had finished. So now I'm going to walk down, get some videos of the Royal racing. Probably only get some of the practicing because we have some other stuff to do while we're in Sydney. So get some clips for you, and then we're going to head off and do that. But yeah, I'll go down and get something for you, make it a bit longer video, a bit more interesting. And yeah, got a Bigfoot spotting way over there. Alright, so I think that cressida at the end of that last race blew up because it shot a bit of a flame out the back, heaps of smoke, and then they sent cars up to clean all the oil up. So yeah, I wasn't waiting around for them to clean the whole track up, so headed back up to the car, as you can see obviously, and I'm going to end the video here. Probably nice and short, but hope you liked it anyway. And if you did, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.